Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing access and context. Log in and confirm your API key or app permissions, then enable microphone if you want voice. Next, pick one clear goal so Grok stays focused. Summarize, brainstorm, write code, or debug. Then provide context. Paste 200 to 800 words, attach files, or list 5 constraints. Once done, you reduce ambiguity and speed results. Make sure to use precise language and short examples. You now build the output in stages. Ask Grok for an outline first and then expand each section sequentially, which keeps control and avoids rambling. Be explicit about tone, length, and format, say, bullets, code block, or 300-word draft, so output fits your use. When you see issues, iterate with targeted edits. Point out the sentence to change, request 3 alternatives, or ask for simpler wording. This iterative loop yields cleaner, focused results faster. You finish by validating the output. Run a quick test, unit check, or read it aloud to confirm accuracy and tone. Then export, copy to clipboard, download as TXT or MD, or request a final clean version for publication. If results are incorrect, don't start over. Restate constraints, show the exact error, and ask for numbered fixes so Grok can target the problem. One tip: if creativity goes off track, lock the format and ask for literal edits only.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.